Standard 10, Subject Geography, Lesson number 4, Climate. Students, in this lesson, we already learned about the climatic conditions of Brazil country. Today, we are going to learn about climatic conditions of India. See, observe figure 4.3 and write the answers. First question, which region gets more than 4000 mm of rainfall? See the index more than 4000 rainfall is shown in dark blue color. See here we can see in the southwest area and here we can see in the north east area. Okay. So see this southern part of western coast. Southern part of western coastal area region. This coastal area means the seashore. Okay, coastal region, and here northeast. Northeast region get more than 4000 mm of rainfall. That means Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, this area is getting more than 4000 mm of rainfall. And here this coastal region of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, this area getting more than 4000 mm of rainfall. Second question, identify the regions with maximum and minimum temperature. See, these are isotherms, that lines I told before this, that are called isotherms, that showing the temperature. That line showing this minimum temperature 20 degree and that maximum is 29. The maximum temperature is here in desert in Rajasthan. Okay, there is a maximum temperature desert in Rajasthan. Then in the south the region is that peninsular area in the south region. See this here also maximum temperature. See this area is Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. See some regions in the north 20 degree here also that have minimum temperature. That regions in Jammu Kashmir. Next question, in which direction is the temperature increasing? See, we can see here in the south region somewhere the temperature is increasing. Okay, in the south region same temperature is increasing. Next question, identify the direction of the winds shown what they known as. We can see here that arrows, they are showing the onset of monsoon winds. These are arrows. The direction of winds shown is from southwest, okay, to northeast. These winds are known as southwest monsoon winds. These are called as southwest monsoon winds. Next question, which winds are responsible for the rainfall in India? See the answer. The southwest winds are responsible for rainfall in India. Why? Because they are coming from the sea. Okay, these southwest winds are coming from the sea and they are responsible for the rainfall in India. Some part of Rajasthan is under desert. Why could be the reason for it? Sorry, what could be the reason for it? See, the minimum rainfall at area is below 500 and area we can see in this region below 500 degree rainfall, that is under desert. This Rajasthan area is under desert or dry area, and the reason for that in Rajasthan the Aravalli mountain range obstruct the southwest winds. The southwest winds As its effect, these winds flow to the north along with the Aravalli Range. This result more rainfall to the windward side of the Aravalli Range. Okay. So this area is dry or is under desert. Next question, draw the main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Refer figure 2.1. We have to see the figure 2.1, then we can understand this latitude. See this parallel of latitude 23 degree 30 minute north. This we can draw this Tropic of Cancer. Okay, 23 degree 30 minute north. Tropic of Cancer. That means the main parallel of latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, that affect the climate of India. Okay. In which part of peninsular area India, in which part of peninsular India are semi-arid climatic conditions found and why? Arid means what? Arid means dry conditions. Okay, there is no rainfall, very less rainfall. Okay, in which part of peninsular India are semi-arid climatic condition found and why? See here, very less rainfall, below 500 mm area we can see in this peninsular area. This region is rain shadow region. Which region? Rain shadow region. That is why this area is semi-arid climatic conditions. Okay. So what is meaning of the rain shadow region? The meaning of rain shadow region means, suppose one mountain, but here mountains are present and by that mountain one side having rainfall, but that other side of mountain cannot rainfall cannot reach there. That is why that area becoming rain shadow area or dry area. Okay, that will be there will be very less rainfall in this peninsular area.